Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a first-time tax filer or just looking to save money while doing your own taxes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to file your taxes step by step using TurboTax Basics. And yes, this is the full 2025 guide. Whether you're worried about complicated forms or hidden fees, I'll walk you through a foolproof process to get it done right and save cash along the way. Let's dive in. Accessing TurboTax first, open your browser and head to the official TurboTax website. At the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. If you're brand new, click Create an Account and follow the quick prompts. Setting up your own account is key because it saves your progress. You can start now and finish later without losing any work. Navigating the tax home. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the tax home. Think of this as your personal dashboard for everything tax-related. For beginners with simple returns, scroll down and choose TurboTax Free Edition 2024. This option is perfect if you're filing a basic return and want to avoid unnecessary costs. Review and personal information. Next, click Review/Edit to double-check any info you've already entered. Accuracy matters here. Typos can delay your refund or even trigger IRS questions. After that, head to My Info and carefully add your personal details, name, address, and social security number. Make sure these match your official IDs and any previous tax documents. Personal profile. TurboTax will guide you through the personal profile section, where you'll answer a few questions about your filing status, like single, married, or head of household, and whether you have dependents. Don't stress if you're unsure. TurboTax provides helpful explanations right on the screen so you can make the right choice without second-guessing. Money-saving tips. Here's the best part. If your situation is simple, like having only W-2 income or standard deductions, the free edition is often all you need. That means you could file federal and state taxes without paying a dime. And if you're eligible for deductions or credits, TurboTax automatically searches for them to maximize your refund. And that's it, your beginner-friendly, money-saving guide to filing taxes with TurboTax Basics for 2025. Take your time, review every detail, and you'll breeze through tax season with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple how-to guides, and share this video with anyone who's filing taxes for the first time. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stress-free tax season.